What is up, you guys? Welcome back or to my channel. So today is going to be a very informative video. This video is for the mamas. This is for the mamas to be, and matter of fact, this is also for the ones who plan on being a mama in the future. Okay, this video is for you. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top newborn essentials. Okay, like these are the things that I do not think I would have survived the newborn stage without. Honestly, I could even still use it after the newborn stage. These are literally my go-to. I use these every single day, even up until now. So thankfully my baby is out of the newborn stage. Oh my gosh, so exciting. I survived, y'all. I survived, and I can't believe that my baby is 4 months. I am sharing these because these are things that I for sure literally live by. Again, I still use them now. So let's just get right into it. I'm not gonna go through the obvious things like, oh, diapers and wipes and stuff. Like, all of those are obvious newborn essentials that you need those things. Number one, Mylicon. Let me tell you something. I feel like most newborns are gassy. And first of all, shout out to my mom, because my mom made me get this as soon as basically I had her. And even though my baby is strictly breastfed, but the first 2 weeks of her life I did combo feed because I was trying to build up a milk supply and just more so get my milk flowing, because I had to have C-section. And so like I was really trying to just really get my milk flowing and make it come through so that I could full on be exclusive breastfeeding. But let me tell you something, Mylicon is no joke. You can give this to your baby before or after, and I'm actually surprised at how popular it is, how familiar it is, because I honestly just thought it was an older thing from like with my mom, because when she was having us she was using it. But no, like Mylicon is literally like a liquid that is given to the babies to prevent gas, also to help them move their gas better when it comes to burping or with them farting and everything. Literally still use it, will continue to use it. Okay, this is a must. Like, that's number one. I definitely feel like having the Mylicon has definitely helped her burp more quicker after a bottle. She's like less fussy and everything. So listen, I'm a Mylicon mama. I'm a stand by that. Bottle warmer. Okay, let me tell you something. You're a new mom. You think I want to get up and go all the way to the kitchen to warm up the bottle in a pot or whatever it is? Now, if you have to, that's fine. But if it's one thing I would recommend, is that you literally invest in a bottle warmer. Okay, it could sit on the side of your nightstand or whatever it is in your room. You put some water in it. The bottle warmer will save you. Okay, like I again still use bottle warmer to this day. The bottle warmer always is gonna come in handy. I just knew that that was one thing that I was definitely gonna get when I was pregnant. It's a bottle warmer. Whether I was breastfeeding or if I was pumping, I think that a bottle warmer is pretty self-explanatory. Like, that's definitely something that is for sure needed. Wherever you're at, whether you're in the living room or in the room, put the bottle in there, set the timer. It gives you the times on the back. If you have it in a glass bottle or a plastic bottle, whatever it is, it tells you how many minutes, but you will know how much you should put it on. But bottle warmer, get you a bottle warmer. Okay, it is not a waste. Get you a bottle warmer. A diaper genie. Diaper genie causes a lot of controversy. I know that I've seen on TikTok a lot of people say that it's a waste of money and you could just put it in the garbage or whatever. But no, let me tell y'all, for me personally, I don't feel like it's a waste of money, because you don't want that buildup of diapers in your regular garbage and that smell mixing in with the regular house garbage. Like, it just doesn't make any sense. And a diaper genie you could put in your room. Okay, it literally disguises the smell. Like, there's no smell once you put the diapers in there or whatever wipes in there. You just obviously switch the bag out, but it literally holds the odor. Like, it's almost like you don't even have a garbage in your room. Like, again, when you're changing your baby in the middle of the night, you don't want to have to get up and go all the way to your kitchen and put it in the garbage, or let alone even have a garbage in your room, whether it's a bag or whatever it is, because it'll start to smell. It'll have that odor. And so that's what the diaper genie is for. Like, I love my diaper genie. Okay, you literally will not know that it's a baby in this house, in this room, because it doesn't smell like dirty diapers, and I love that. This one's my all-time favorite, Mustela baby. Hi, mama. Yes, I'm holding my baby right now as we do this video. Mustela is a must. Okay, if you don't know what Mustela is, it's a French brand. Literally, I found out about it on TikTok, and let me tell y'all, so clean. My goal for my child was literally for her to have everything strictly natural, clean products. So like, even when it came to breastfeeding, when it comes to the products she used. Now I used to use Aveeno Baby and stuff like that, but once I found out about Mustela, y'all, you cannot drag me away from this brand. Like literally, I want to say about a month and a half in, she started to like break out and get the baby pimples all over her face. It started to be red, it started to become crusty. And so when I ordered Mustela, I started using it on her face, the body wash. I used the micellar water on her face, and her face literally cleared up in like 3 to 4 days. No joke. When they said it's clean, like it's clean, and that's what I've been using for her ever since. I love Mustela. I actually have the whole set. I recommend getting the set. You can literally get it from Amazon because I'm not even gonna lie, she ain't cheap. So like if you buy just the body wash by itself or like a lotion, it's like $20 each. So if you want to save you some coin, if you're also just starting, get the set. But it's definitely worth it. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, it's worth it. I have the diaper cream, I have the lotion, I have the body wash, I have the Cradle Cap shampoo. And that's another one. Like, she was starting to get Cradle Cap a little bit. It was starting to come in, and I'm like, oh no, we gotta kill that because I refuse for my baby to lose her hair. It cleared up. It's starting to literally go away. Like now the flakes are just like coming up. Love Mustela. Like, I'm not gonna lie, Mustela, they know what they was doing with this brand. It's so clean, and honestly, I just have to keep it on rotation. I love Mustela. You a Mustela baby, right? Period. Glass bottles. I'm not gonna lie, I stand by the glass bottles. I truly understand. Now a lot of people don't really know the difference between, like, you know, a Dr. Brown's bottle and like a Philips bottle, or a Philips Avent bottle, or I think I'm saying that right. Yeah, it's definitely different. I have both and I do use both. My baby still drinks 4 ounces, sometimes 4.5. Literally, I can notice that between the Dr. Brown's bottles, though it does have the stick in for gas, that bottle will actually cause her to be more gassy. I don't know if it's because of how the nipple is, but she'll suck that bottle down quicker than the glass bottle. And I realized that with the Dr. Brown's bottle, it has like more, like the milk, more bubbles than the glass bottle. And also just the bottle, it being more clean, because, you know, it's kind of like using Tupperware, where your food will last longer in, you know, a glass bowl with a top rather than a plastic bowl with a top. Better quality. I definitely do see a difference. So I definitely recommend get glass bottles, especially for storage purposes. Another one, the baby nail clipper. That is a must. They nails grow literally every 24 hours. You need you a baby nail clipper. There was one that I found on Amazon. It has like the buffer and everything. It has the light. It has, you know, if you happen to be clipping in the dark, you can see it with a light. Though their hands are little, you do have to be like a little bit more careful. I definitely like the nail clipper, but a baby nail clipper is essential, like, because you will be clawed, okay, like mauled actually, if you don't get your baby a nail clipper, because she'd be scratching me up from her toes to her hands. Like, definitely need a baby nail clipper, because you will definitely be clipping her nails every day, if not every other day. Like, I feel like, girl, I just clipped your nails, why am I clipping them again? Burp cloths has became my best friend. I feel like not a lot of people use burp cloths. Like, you know, they just put a bib on. I just feel like you need so much more than that. Like a burp cloth, not only do you put it, you know, over your shoulder, even if I don't want to put a bib on her, which I'm always doing that, I just feel like they really do come in handy with the excess throw up, or it's just that extra object where the throw up or whatever can be taken. Because sometimes, you know, she gonna miss the bib. Sometimes your baby is gonna miss the bib, and burp cloths is needed. Sometimes if your baby throw up a lot, it also like defeats you from going through, I guess, too many bibs at one time. I just feel like you definitely need both of them hand in hand. But I didn't realize how essential burp cloths were until I got them, and now I have to get more. But definitely, like, I love me a good burp cloth, like for real, for real. And last but not least, nursing pillow. This is really for the mamas, I would say, because the way your back will be saved, okay, if you're a breastfeeding mom for sure, you definitely need a nursing pillow. Sit your baby on a pillow, pull your boob out, and do what you have to do. It also helps when your baby's ready to start sitting up. You could prop the pillow up. Like, you can actually use it in many ways. It's actually very versatile, and it also relieves pressure off of your back. I didn't realize that. Like, sometimes when I'm holding her, I just put her on top of the pillow even if I'm not breastfeeding, and it relieves tension off of my back. My baby just even likes to lay on the pillow. Like I said, she's learning to sit up more by herself, and tummy time could be on the nursing pillow. Like, it could be used for so many different things. Nursing pillows is definitely essential. That is all for today's video, you guys. There's so much more. Like I said, for me, these are my essentials, like must have in your house for a newborn. Like, you absolutely need it. I do want to do a video that's strictly for the moms, the breastfeeding moms, those type of essentials, because that's literally like a whole separate list, a separate category. But let me know what you guys think. If that's a video that you want, let me know down below in the comment section. And I hope that I'm helping a mom, okay? I really do. From one mom to another, a new mom at that, to another. We can all definitely help each other out. And so with that being said, make sure that you guys like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.